today we'll make a Japanese soup that's full of nutrients, tasty, and easy to make. And here we'll start with an onion and add as much as you like. And for all the ingredients, you should try right to use about the same amount for each, okay? Here, just cut it in half like this. Like this. Same way. If you only have red onion, that's fine too. You can use it. Mushroom, I don't have it here, but shimeji would be much better in this recipe, right? But I don't have it, so I'll use this one. Here, I'm just going to cut it in half, leave it kind of thick. It's going to be really good. Another mushroom that also works really well in this recipe is enoki, that long one with a little cap. Just cut it into pieces about 2 fingers long and add it. A piece of leek, cut it into pieces about 2 fingers long. Like this. If you don't have leek, you can use green onion as well. And this leek goes really well with this soup. A piece of carrot about 5 fingers long. Here, cut it in half and like this, diagonally. And it will be long, like this. And just look how it turns out. We usually use this type of cut here for soups and stir fries. It looks really nice. And if you want, you can also cut it into half moons. And for greens, I'll use this leftover Napa cabbage that was in the fridge, but you can also use regular cabbage. Cut it like this, into large pieces. And this soup is good because of that. You can remove or add any vegetables or greens. And here, finally, a piece of chicken thigh. Skinless and boneless. Cut into small pieces, more or less this size. Like this. And if you want, you can also use chicken tenderloin or chicken breast. No problem. Even pork. It can even be pork belly. That's really good too. Just cut it like this. Here in a pan, just a little bit of oil. We're just going to cover the bottom. And now add all the chicken. And fry until golden. And if it's with pork, it's the same way. Cut to the same size and fry until golden. At this point, it's good to add all the carrots and all the onions. And saute for about 1.5 minutes on medium heat. And now the leek. Mushrooms. And the Swiss chard. And now 1 more minute. And let's add the water. 1 liter of water. A tablespoon of powdered fish dashi. Just a teaspoon of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of mirin. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Mix and bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, let it cook until the leek and carrot are tender but still firm. Don't overcook them. Here, everything is well cooked. Just turn off the heat. Here I have 2 tablespoons of akamiso. You can also use shiro miso. And here you can use 1 tablespoon for every 500 ml of water. I'm using this strainer here to dissolve the miso, which makes it much easier, right? So you don't get those lumps. You just do it like this. And I turned off the heat because, well, so the miso doesn't lose too many nutrients. If you boil the miso too much, it loses about 30 to 40% of its nutrients. So it's good to turn it off beforehand. Done. Mix. And our soup is ready. And you can have this soup in the summer and the winter for breakfast at any time of the day.